visitors who are coming from abroad. Thank you for how you have been helping us. And this time we welcome you, and we want to meet you soon as we are preparing for the 360 meeting. And we are saying there are some needs we still need in our school. This is the school and this is the students, even the teachers, and all we are working together. We are asking for things like we have young children who are still here in the ministry here, who are still having no parents. They are orphanage. So we need things like milk, which can help them, and also we need some other things which can help the school. So we don't have much. We are just expecting from you things like clinic also. We have been asking if you can bring, so because the clinic are very far from here, and if we build ours here is better, so anyone who is sick can get treatment quickly. So we are just asking for those ones, and also anything which you can wish to bless them. Things like play. We need swings for the children. At break time they can go and swing so that they feel free. So we are just asking those ones. May God bless you.
So children, can you how many are looking forward for seeing their sponsors come here? So what do you want to tell them? Huh? What do you want to tell them? Huh? Bring what? Ball, okay. And sweets. And shoes. And clothes. Huh? Hospital. Where? Huh? And what? School bus?
Yes.
Hey. And what else? Okay, so this is the children here plus the staff standing behind there. Some of them are not here right now. So we just want to say thank you. We welcome you here, and we welcome everybody coming, that you will enjoy your stay here, and God bless you. Some of the children are not here, they are asleep.